Not that I'm sponsored or anything, but today's video, I got some bad news for my old girl here. Is this thing of focus? So some of you may be wondering where I've been, what I've been up to. Well, the world's been turned upside down by a bunch of different things. And so I'm going to make a return to making videos by doing videos about this thing here. This is my old Chevy C-10. This is actually where I get my channel name from, is old C-10 here. And after many faithful years of running hard, she has finally lost a head gasket. So I'm going to be replacing that. I've got the headset, got new head bolts, there's no noises in the motor. However, there is a little bit of oil in the water. I mean, a little bit of coolant in the oil, I should say. I've got the radiator cap off because there's a little bit of exhaust gas in the cooling system. You can kind of smell it. So I'll take you along the journey as I tear this whole thing apart, check everything out, give you some pro tips. I've been turning wrenches on one of these things all my life. So I love these old Chevy C-10s. And what you're looking at, in case you don't know, is a factory equipped 85, I believe she is. 5.7 liter, 350, 4-bolt main. So one of the old good ones. The only thing that's not really still factory is I replaced carburetor on her. Golly, whew, years and years and years ago. She's been a good one. She still fires right up. So I'll come back. I'll shoot another short little video. I may try to set my phone up to where I can record me tearing some of these things apart. I'm also taking some video footage so that I might know where some of the things go on this when I get done with it. I'm eliminating a lot of stuff like this right here, that right there. This thing here, which is a smog pump. Yeah, a lot of that stuff's going. I'd like to replace it. I'd like to put some headers on it when I go to put her back together. But for now, I'm just going to replace the heads, and I'll shoot some photos and videos along the way for maybe your education, your viewing pleasure, whatever you want to call it. Pro tip: when you take your carburetor off, make sure you put it in a drawer somewhere sitting level. So pretty sure I can get it handled. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any advice, or maybe somebody wants to sponsor parts or donate to the channel to help me in this process, I would greatly appreciate it, because I've got a few things I'd like to do with the old girl. I don't know if you can see just through the background there, but I got another one sitting behind her that she's getting the motor and transmission. Well, not the motor, but she's getting the transmission rear end out of that one. So anyway, that's it for this one. Comment down below what your thoughts are. Like this video, share it with somebody that likes old C-10s. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And please, stay tuned. It's still tuned. Just skipping like hell.